I just received these Sitajie pruning shears and they are pretty cool. They are definitely really sharp, have a super sharp blade. They have a locking safety on it right there. Let's see if I can show you. Right there, there's a little safety switch right there that you can lock these blades. Let's see, put it in place. See, so that it's closed, so that you don't have to worry about like your kids getting into them or you accidentally hurting yourself. These come with these gloves as well, these Sitajie gloves. These are breathable gloves, so they're pretty nice. They're stretchy too. It comes with this spring, this extra spring, in case your spring gets messed up on your blade. So you get an extra spring there. So I've got some tomatoes right here. I've got a few little pieces that I need to prune right inside this tomato and this tomato bush. So I'm gonna clean up this tomato plant. There we go. These pruning shears definitely help. And they cut it right off of there, so it's perfect. Of course, I have a couple on this other tomato plant I want to prune as well, like this one right down in there. Check that out. This was sent to me by the brand, and this is a paid sponsored video. And these things cut really well. I mean, of course, this particular, these pruning shears are really nice, super sharp, like I said. Stylish too. Got the cool green and black on there. I think that's pretty awesome. And let's go cut some more. So I take this, these pruning shears, and cut all these little extra little things out of here. See this right here? All these little things. This is a household plant that I need to get these cut. So that's awesome. And just pull that stuff right out of there. All that stuff. See how much better that looks already? Oh, that's awesome.